Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and I'm going to be doing an oil change and filter change on this Renault Clio 1.4. What you're going to need is 5W40 and buy 5 litres of it, because it takes around just under 4 litres. So first things first is remove the filler cap, he says, like that. Now, you'll see how clean this oil is, but it's be a shame to not do the oil change on this, because it's had a full service history on the year every year, minor and major, minor 1 year, major the other year. So let's keep the service history up on this vehicle. One of the first checks I do is, if it's a filter like this where it's got the rib bits around, I will put the removal tool on it to see if it fits, and then try it on the actual filter before we take that filter out and realise that they're the wrong size. This has happened to me before. So I've tracked up this side of the car, the engine side, there's the gearbox side. We're going to go under and I'm going to locate the sump for you. So remember, on the engine side, with the straight under, it's just there, okay? You can see it has had a bit of a leak, so we're definitely going to have to replace that washer. We should always replace the washers anyway. Unscrew the sump plug and then allow about 10-15 minutes for the oil to fully drain out. Right, so take the old washer off and discard it, then you get a new one. Put it on there, and we're going to reattach this onto there, and it's 20 newton meters of torque. Reattach the sump plug and then give it a nice spray down and clean it all off so you can check for leaks. That's how it should look, nice and clean, torqued up to 20 newton meters, copper washer in there. The reason we clean it is so that we can check for leaks later. Now we're going to remove the filter, which is just located there. Sorry about the camera angle, it's the best I could do to get eyes on the filter. There's different tools you can use one of these, okay, just make sure it's the right size. I've already loosened mine, it shouldn't be on too tight, so I should be able to just do it by hand. So here's your new filter, just measure it up next to the old one, make sure that they're the same size. Next, get some engine oil, like that. Just going to lube up this new seal. Next, all you're going to do is clean up the dipstick. Then we're going to start by putting 3 litres of engine oil in. Note that on the side, I've got the markers, so we're just going to fill it up to that bit there. So still a litre left. So just before I do the last step, if you look in the comments, there's going to be a playlist with all maintenance to do with this car, so every single filter and all that stuff, so make sure you check that out. Anyway, now time for the last bit. That's filled up. Make sure this is on the max mark, like it is, yeah. And then make sure it's not leaking from the bottom before you turn it on, and around the filter. Obviously there is some residue there from earlier. There you go, still no leaks, which is good. Now we're going to fire it up and then check for leaks again. Let it run for about 5 minutes, and then once it's stopped running, turn it off, check the oil level, make sure it's between the min and the max, and then you're good to go. Anyway, if you've got any questions, please put them in the comments. Please make sure you like and subscribe. And like I said earlier, anything to do with this car maintenance wise, there's going to be a playlist in the comments. I'll see you on the next one.